Hey guys, Shane here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing even if you're a beginner. So we're going to start off. I'm going to show you if you're a beginner, you're new to this, here's how we get started. First of all, we need to get eyeballs onto our offers. So we need to send what's called traffic, traffic either that be from Facebook, whether it's from Instagram, to one of our offers, and then as a result we make money. So the reason for this, the purpose of this video, I'm going to really simplify this down and show you the most effective and the easiest way to get started in affiliate marketing in 2019. So my view on this is Instagram story ads are the easiest way for anyone to get started with affiliate marketing. Doesn't matter if you're only today's your first day and you're only getting started. Instagram story ads really easy, really effective. And I'm going to show you an example of a campaign that I'm currently running on Max Bounty and how simple this is to be effective. This is a campaign that is launched literally today, and I'm going to log into an account and show you that it's actually making me money. So why is Instagram story ads really effective? Well, number one, Instagram, there's so many users on there. It's if you've got the right ad with the right targeting, it's really effective and really easy to make sales. Or in this particular example that I'm going to show you, it's really easy to get people to swipe up and engage with the offer that you have in place. So the reason we use swipe up ads again on Instagram is there's really good targeting. People are engaged on Instagram, and it's easy to get them to take action once you have good ad copy or good ads in place. So I'm going to show you that this real quickly. So as I said, Instagram story ads, you can get started with $5 a day and scale from there. So for this particular example, you can see I've got myself a offer here, which is a Primark offer. And I'm just going to jump on over to Max Bounty, which is a network I'm using. And the reason I'm over here in Max Bounty is to help you pick an offer. So in this particular campaign, I want to select what's called a single opt-in offer, which means that the user just has to fill out a form, whether it's name, address, name, potentially address, but typically just name, email, and date of birth. They click submit, and then you get paid as an affiliate. So you can see there's lots of offers here, and they pay for a lead, which just means the person has to fill in a single opt-in form, and once they fill that in, you get paid. So for this particular example, it's a Walmart gift card. You get paid $2.80 per lead, and the earnings per click is 28 cent. So you can see this kind of offer here on Walmart's a good example of what we're trying to do here. So for example, a user on Instagram, you could target people who like Walmart with a $1,000 Walmart gift card, and this particular offer allows up to 300 actions per day. So let me just really quickly pull up the calculator just to show you what the potential is. Right, so I'm back over here on the Google calculator, and we're just going to multiply $2.80, that's the payout, multiplied by 300, so that's the max number of signups you can send in a day, and that's $840 a day you can make from this particular offer. So this, your daily cap, means 300 actions per day, so you're allowed to send 300 people who fill out this form a day and get paid for it. And what that means for you is you'll get 280 per lead. If you can fulfill 300 actions per day, it means you can make $840 a day. And the reason this model is so easy for a beginner is because you don't really need to get anyone to buy anything. They don't need to take their credit card out. They just need to submit a form. Um, and as I said, we're going to be sending people from Instagram ads to a landing page. They fill out this single opt-in form, could be name, email, they click submit, and as a result, you get paid that $2.80. So in this particular example, I've selected an offer from Max Bounty. It's a UK offer, and the offer is promoting Primark. So an example of one of the ads that I have here, right here, Primark Primark ad. I'm just going to go into my Facebook business manager so you can see the actual ad that I have. This literally took me 2 minutes to create. This is one of about 5 ads that I have in this particular campaign. You can see it's really simple. Swipe up and apply. Primark mystery shoppers wanted. So I've got multiple variations of these types of ads, and the user just needs to swipe up. And what happens when they swipe up? They go to the next step in the funnel, which is the landing page. And you can see here I've built out a really simple landing page, and this is called a survey landing page. And the reason we send people to a survey is because they're interacting and they're taking what are called micro commitments before they're going to fill out the offer. The other reason we send them to these kind of pages is because we can't send someone from Instagram directly to an affiliate offer. So if the user engages with this, so it says Primark mystery shoppers wanted, answer the questions below to qualify. How did you hear about this offer? We're sending the traffic from Instagram. It's going to be number one. They click on Instagram. Then the next question, do you shop at Primark? So this offer is about Primark. They're saying yes. So we're getting people into the mode of saying yes. And once they click yes, we analyze their eligibility and we send them on to the offer. So once the user then fills out that offer, we get paid. And the reason this model is so successful and so easy to put into practice for a beginner is because it takes about 30 minutes of work from start to finish, $5 starting off, and you can easily start to make money. I'm going to show you an example of how easy this is. So I set this campaign up, um, and it only went live today. This has spent $1.36. I'll just go back out and show you the overall campaign. So you can see today, May 19th, we've spent $3.18. 23 people have gone to the offer. So as I said, this hasn't been live long, and it's costing 15 cents to get people to this particular page. Sorry, to the landing page that I showed you. And I'm just going to jump on over to Max Bounty. So you can see from my Max Bounty account, we have, so we're looking at today, and you can see for this particular offer that I'm promoting, the Primark offer, we've had, Max Bounty says 28 clicks, 4 leads, and that's a 14% conversion rate. So that essentially just means that 4 out of the 28 people who have landed uh, on our survey landing page and then went through to the offer actually took action and signed up for this mystery shopper. So today made $6.24. As you can see here, I've spent $3.18. So you can tell pretty quickly this campaign is profitable. And it's really important to understand how easy this whole process is from start to finish. So just so you can see in terms of ads, that you might be thinking, okay, well, you know how to create the ads, but the reality is these ads are something I can mock up in minutes. So literally all this is, I'm just going to deconstruct this. I'm over in a tool called canva.com, and on canva.com, I've literally just put all these pieces this is just a block, sidebar is just a block, these are all just blocks, this is a circle over here. So all I've done is got a circle, put it into the corner, put a block here, and then built out borders for the particular campaign, and then I've just added in some text, and this is just an image to swipe up. So these ads literally take minutes. It's not very difficult, and as I said, if you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, this is the most simple way that I know how anyone can actually take action, make sales. I'm going to leave a link below this video, which will allow you to take the same landing page that I've sent on, or that I showed you in this particular video, where the user had to fill out the survey. I'll put that down below so you can just copy this particular campaign. And these ads are really easy. As I said, you go to Canva and you can build these kind of ads yourself. So as I said, this is the most simple way to make money with affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. Have a comment down below if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming out with lots more videos, and thank you and goodbye.